2, 1, go, Lukey. Whoa, look at all those cool lights. And then we have a little race car over here. Whoa, we need to go look at this video now, Lukey. This is so cool. Now they're all resting, all the trucks. Whoa, look at that Hess truck. Whoa. Oh, did you get the jets too? Did you do the lights on the jets?
Yep.
Good. What year is this, Lukey, right here? What year does it say, Lukey?
1994.
Whoa, and it still works. Wow. What year is this one over here, Lukey? These two SUVs.
This one is 24.
2004.
And this one is from 2004.
What's inside of them, Lukey?
Motorcycle.
Wow. Are there motorcycles in both of them?
Yeah.
Cool. What year is the helicopter from? Oh, look, there's a car inside. There's a car inside that helicopter. Lukey, can you tell me what year that helicopter's from? Look on the bottom of the helicopter. What does it say?
2012.
No way, that's the year you were born. That must have been yours. Grandma must have gotten that one for you. Wow, these are cool. Look, the lights are flashing over here.
This is from 2013.
2013.
This one is from 2014. This one is from
2014. Well, there's 3 of these, Lukey.
2014. This one is from 2015, 2015.
Yep, these are all 2015.
Let's go see this.
Well, I don't think that one works any longer. We don't have those batteries anyway.
But I gotta see where is the number on it. Maybe this one doesn't have one.
We're gonna have to put this on YouTube, Lukey. All the way from 1994.
Now it's done.
Now it's done.